Okay, hello sir. So ngayon we're gonna talk about our intellectual revolution. So what's your intellectual revolution?
Well, for me, kasi um, the whole time I was growing up, how I was raised, I always thought that you always had to be the best at everything. You know, the best in academics, sports, life. You had to be successful, be better than everyone else around you. It's always been a mindset of mine ever since I was young. But after a year of college and now experiencing my second year of college, I learned something really important, and it comes from a quote. And it goes, "The stars shine brighter when the sun comes down." So the way I understood that quote is that during the day, diba, you only see the sun. But when nighttime comes, you see all the stars shining brightly. So what I got from that is that we'll all have our time to shine. Like for some people, it may be now, it may have been yesterday, it might be tomorrow, but everyone's time will come. And there's another way I interpreted this quote, is that even though you're not as bright as the sun, it doesn't mean that no one is looking at you and no one will see your success the same way you do.
So grabe kasi yung ano rin yung thought mo yan sa child, nakakasakal rin siya na parang sobrang nagpa-pressure ka na to do everything and to be successful. So yung sa akin din naman, like medyo same rin sa'yo na I've read this quote na yung sinabi is, don't compare people's highlights to your behind the scenes. Kasi yun naman, it's like, you don't have to really compare yourself to other people and you have to just focus on yourself. Kasi when you compare to yourself to people na kanyari successful na sila, like at the same time, you're gonna be down, you're gonna be discouraged to like try more or like become yourself more. So ayun, it's just na if you focus on yourself and try to focus on your own path, kasi sa like looking around and like comparing yourself and being down or discouraged, I think it will be better.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, good example din yan kasi it's inevitable that we compare ourselves to others. Lalo na pag successful.
Kahit sa college na ngayon, di ba? Daming mga kasama. Yeah, so, yun. Yeah, let's go around and interview some people now.
Sure. Hello po kaya. Pwede pa po kayo interview. May consent pa po kaming mag-record.
Yes.
So ang tanong ko po is, ano po ang intellectual revolution?
For this time, intellectual revolution that I really appreciate is on how to make money online, because on my earlier days, kala mo tandaan eh. Like when I was in high school, puro manual labor or manual transactions ang ginagawa. Let's say may client ka, pupunta ka pa kung saan na locations to get your sale or to meet with your client. Ngayon, Zoom na lang. So you can make money online. Yeah. That's it.
Thank you po.
Tayo ng mga, baka may mga vacant ngayon. Tayo dito. May tao dito. So, pwede pa namin kayo interview. Okay. Hello, so I'm Enzo. So, I want to ask you kung ano yung intellectual revolution mo.
What do you mean by intellectual revolution?
Okay, so like, intellectual revolution is like, how your mind is like changed or like your perspective has changed during your college days. So, kunwari, like for me, yung perspective ko nag-change na I should not compare myself to others. So for you, what's your intellectual revolution?
I would say, because I'm from Cebu.
Oh, okay.
So when I came here, I'm living alone now, and then on top of school. So I would say my intellectual revolution is the importance of living alone here.
Okay. Like learning to be more independent.
Yeah, learning to be more
independent. That's really good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pwede pa po kayo mag-interview?
Yes.
And
What about?
do we have consent to film the report?
Go ahead.
So our topic po is about intellectual revolutions. So, ano po yung intellectual revolutions?
I think the most recent that I could think of is the way people shop. Before we used to go to malls, to stores. But right now with digital platforms that are available, we could definitely reach out to products online and digitally.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.